All right, guys. All right, I've been sick all week. I've been sick I've had like fever like 3 times the past month. So like that's absolutely fucking shit. But I made money day trading today, so it's all good. This is how I made $1,010.01 and 10 cent. This I don't even know. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This is how I took a winning trade on the 16th of January 2026. So before I get into it, if you guys want to join my free Discord, it's linked down below. And if you guys want to follow me on my social media, well, I've started posting because I want to become someone in this lifetime and not just a celebrity sitting in front of the TV all day. Feel free to follow me there and feel free to join my Discord server if you'd like to. I've got like 20-30 members there now, so we're starting to grow it, yeah, so I'm gonna go right into this trading day. So right off the bat, I was bullish, and the reason for that was that we had an SMT in London session that I'd like to see us take us higher, because on let's see, on ES we swept, we were underneath these lows, which we weren't on NQ before opening for the day. Market open. So that told me that maybe we could get longs up to buy side and up to 4-hour high and shit. But that clearly did not happen because we went up and swept London highs, and after London highs got swept, we actually had a break of structure to the downside, also a market structure shift. And after the market structure shift, there was a fair value gap that was getting formed, but sadly we filled it before creating it. We like closed the gap, So, but we filled equilibrium, so it's all good. And equilibrium was filled, and once equilibrium was filled, I saw that on the first. I saw it on NQ, and that was paired with we also filled a 1-minute gap, so that was perfect bearish bearish confirmation. But the confirmation we had here after we filled that gap was we had to break structure down here, and I saw we filled equilibrium here too, but we only had to inverse a gap here because we came up, filled equilibrium. After we filled equilibrium, we came down, inversed this 1-minute fair value gap, and I entered short. So I entered short there. Now, there was one thing that happened that pissed me the fuck off, which is I cannot take partials on TradingView laptop, fucking desktop version. I thought I knew how to do it. I know how to do it on this bitch, but I have no idea how the fuck I do it on the desktop. I tried to press X, and then it just didn't work. I couldn't find the partials button. Orders working. Maybe that's. Well, I have no fucking idea. I would have to do research on that. So that was where I entered, and I had my stop loss above the high, and I targeted a shallow. Now we came down, and once we filled the 1-hour fair value gap, I would like to take a approximately 50% close because it was a 21 contracts short, so I wanted to close 10 cons and put my stop loss to break even. But once we hit it, I wanted to take partials, but I could not find the partials button. So then I searched on Google while being in the trade. I had already moved my stop loss to break even, and I Googled how the fuck to take partials. That didn't work. So, and while I was searching, it hit full TP. So the plan was to take 10 cons partials there, but we hit full TP before I managed to search it up. So this is generally a pretty good trade. It was not a fair value gap entry, so it was not an A plus setup because it wasn't. I say this was an A setup, A plus. Then I have to see a fair value gap get filled on the 5-minute, which didn't happen. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this trade. No major reactions, no major emotional mistakes. I'm reading I'm reading Trading in the Zone now, so maybe I'll post some videos on, reviewing that, telling my key takeaways. Yeah. I don't want to waste you guys' time much more than that. This was my trade recap. This was how I made 1,010.1 1,010.1 thousand. I don't even fucking know. I made bomb. There we go. $1,010.1. 1,010. Yeah, that was better. Yeah, Discord link down below. My social medias will be linked down below too. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.